Welcome to Video Revealed. Colin Smith here. This is a bit of an unusual one, but I wanted to take a moment and tell you about Black Friday and what it means to me. If you're like me and you're buying big ticket items, you want a deal. Now, no one is paying me for any of this. I just think it's time to have a look at things. If you've been sitting on the fence doing your research and you're looking at a product thinking, should I? Well, Black Friday is the time to make a move. In fact, this display over here, this one that I use to preview what I'm showing on my monitor, I just bought it yesterday. I was at Best Buy and I went there for data cables, and I walked by and I looked at this and I did a quick check, and it was actually cheaper than B&H, and I'm in Canada, so our prices are always more and our dollar's a little less. So I had to take that, grab it, came home, plugged it in. Now it's a regular thing and I'm happy I got it. So I thought some of the things that you might want to look at, HOLLYLAND, I'll be doing a tutorial on this. I would have done that now, but I'm shooting on location on Friday. This is their wireless transmission system. This is the 300 Pro, Mars 300 Pro Enhanced, and that is a video transmission system. It's got a dual output. It's an update to the 400 dual output, lower latency, 400 feet instead of 300 feet. You can power it by a camera battery or a USB power brick, or you can even plug it into the wall, and it comes with a hot cold shoe, and it comes with a mount. And I'll be putting this camera, I'm actually taking my C100, take the handle off, stick this on, and I'll be holding that behind an ATV, and hopefully I don't fall off and hurt myself, because I wanted to show what it's like to shoot something and be able to view it remotely, because the director has to see what I'm shooting. Another great product is a MONOGRAM studio console, creative console. This thing is a wonderful little bad boy. I've got a tutorial coming out about using this in Premiere Pro, although you can use this with anything and any other companies that support Video Revealed. Remember, I don't make any money on any of this. I just thought sometimes you need that little push to get over the edge and make a move on something. Of course, Dell and NVIDIA that support us here at Video Revealed. Black Friday sales are always going on everywhere. And Artlist, Artgrid, great companies. Everybody's doing something for Black Friday. You can't turn around without a great deal. So take this opportunity. You know, later on you might be blown away at the move you made like a year ago. Oh man, I'm so glad I saved that. So check it out. You know, you'll get some great deals out there.